Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a gift card gift box. So this is the little box that I'm sharing. It will fit a gift card, it will fit the Reese's Christmas trees, and I'm not going to open this one, but I'll show you when we get there how it works. But yeah, it's really sweet. And I love this designer series paper and I wanted to use it again. We're going to do a little embossing. This is a really easy box, y'all, but we are going to do a little embossing here on this Love and Joy. All right, so what we are going to use from this, I already took the dies out, so I am using the Everyday Details dies, which are these right here. These are really good, y'all. And I haven't used them in a long time. They have the rectangles, and then they have all the circles, and this little extra border. This is really good. And it comes with a stamp set as well if you want the bundle. I'll link them both. I always link both if you want to buy the bundle and the dies, and then I'll link the dies separate. And then I'm using the hanging ornament here, and it's just for the holly leaves, and I'm just using the die for that. So it's this one right here. And then I am using the merriest trees, and that is for the Love and Joy. And I'm also using the Christmas labels. And you know I love this one. And I'm going to be using the Be Merry this time on this one. But you can use anything. You can use Peace on Earth, Love and Joy, any of those in there. But yeah, I love this one. It is so good. And so those are all the ones I'm using. You can use whatever sentiments you have, but those are the ones that I am using. Okay, so for the cardstock that we're using, we are using one piece that is 5 by 3 7/8, one piece that is 4.5 by 3 5/8, two pieces of the designer series paper, which is 5/8 by 3 3/8, and two that are 5/8 by 2 1/4. This is the Everyday Details die that we're going to use on the top, and then these two are the holly that I cut for that. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please share, comment, and thumbs up really mean a lot. So thank you all for those who already do all that. All right, so I did all the pre-cutting on the cut and emboss, so I wouldn't have to do that here in the camera because it takes a little bit more time, and this is a really easy box to make. All right, so we are going to start. Let's go ahead and just get our other stuff ready. Let's do this and stamp our little tag that we're going to make. I'm going to use my VersaFine here for my Be Merry, and you're going to just do it in the right lower corner. Isn't that pretty though? I just love that. And we'll go ahead and do our embossing. Use my little embossing buddy here so that it prevents the static. For those of you who have not embossed, it prevents the static for the embossing powder so it doesn't stick all over everything. We're going to use some Versamark. And then we're going to do the Love and Joy. So I'm going to do that there. I'm going to use some of our white embossing powder. I should cover this so it doesn't get on that. And we are going to emboss this. I always like to make sure it's nice and thick on there. And then I'm going to get my heat tool. We're going to heat it and emboss. This never gets old, y'all. And I usually emboss mostly during the holidays because I love it for the holidays. So I'm going to get my heat gun here, and we're going to turn that on and heat emboss this. Okay, so we have that right there. I am going to create my own little tag with this. So I'm going to just put a little tag here. And I just going to take a little bit more off of here so it's not so big. And then I just kind of clip, let's make that a little shorter. And then just clip the corners to give it like a little tag look. Just like that. And that is all that we're going to do with that one. So we have that all ready to go. I'm not going to put it on till the end. I think I made my other one wider. I did. I made this one wider. I kind of like it better wider, but let's just leave it like that. I think it's fine, whichever way we do it. All right, let's go ahead and make the box. So we are going to score. So we are going to score this piece that's 3 7/8 by 5 at 3/4 inches on all 4 sides. So you're going to do it at 3/4 inches and just keep turning and score at 3/4 inches. And then we are going to score the one that is 4.5 by 3 5/8. And we're going to do this one 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. So this is very easy scoring. Got to get my fingers out of the way. All right, so that is all we're scoring, and we are going to cut these. So I am just going to cut in to the first score mark, all these corners. And then we'll do the same on our other box. This is the lid, and this is going to be the bottom. I'm going to do the same on all these. We are going to sharpen all these because you know it's always important to sharpen these up so that they're nice and square when you put it together. So this is the bottom. We're going to do the top the same way. Y'all, I haven't made a lid box in so long. I forgot how difficult it is to get them to fit together. I struggled with this one because I wanted two different, I didn't want them the same size. I wanted the top 1/2 inch, and I don't know why, but I just struggled on getting this one right. But when I did, I was so happy that it turned out really cute. So I hope you like this one. And it is great for a gift card. You can even put a gift card and a chocolate in here. So you can put the gift card, fits perfectly, and then you can put this inside as well. So I did use the Reese's tree. So you can do them both and give them a little treat along with the gift card. And then you're just going to put these all together. I love boxes with lids, but these are the ones, don't ask me why. I can design my own box and not have any problems, but these are the ones that always give me a hard time, the lid and the bottom. And especially if you want two different sizes, like this is 3/4 and this is 1/2. All right, we're going to take our designer series paper and mat all these. So I'm going to just use my seal. I should just use my seal, regular seal for this. And the long ones, of course, go on the long side. I love this paper too. By the way, this paper, I don't think I even showed you the paper. It is the Take a Bow paper. You know how I love this one. I did buy 2 packs of that because I didn't want to run out of it. And then we're going to do the other side. I love the striped one too. I think I've used the striped quite a bit. But you know, you always need gift card boxes, and this one is like a perfect one. And I really, when I give gift cards, I don't like to just give a gift card. I like to add something to it. So that's why I made this one to fit the candy as well. And then your lid will go on like that. We are going to decorate it. We're going to put this on first. On top here. And this does fit, it should fit really good on your box. And then we are going to grab our other tag and we're going to get our baker's twine, which is the real red and white baker's twine. I'm going to double this. And we are going to add it around here, tie a bow. I like a good size bow on this one. And we're going to cut that. And I like to spread this out too. You don't have to, but I like to kind of spread it out. And then we're going to add this, and I'm going to just add it to this part. So we're just going to add our little tag under there. And then we're going to add our little holly leaves. Why I always call them holly, y'all. I don't know why I always call it holly. Or ivy. It is holly. Ay. I get so confused. Every year I think I do the same thing. Say the wrong thing. And then there it is. All done. Isn't it easy? And so fun. So there you have it. They're really cute. I hope you enjoy it. It's really a cute one for a gift card and a little candy. Anything you want to put in, you can just put candy or just the gift card if you want. But yeah, here's my new December host code. If you'd like to place an order, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And if you place an order, I appreciate you using the host code. So for everyone who places an order, will get a free embellishment. So I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.